Hi, I wanted to do this video on the diamond on the steering wheel because people always want to know what's the easiest way to set that. So in order to set that, the black ball on the right hand side of the steering wheel, you turn it to vehicle, you click, you go to settings, and you go down the steering wheel options, and you click on key, and you can go to PCM functions, cluster functions, vehicle functions, and just click into each one, and you can choose whatever you want it to be. Cluster functions, same thing. Vehicle functions, same thing. Anyway, that's it. Nice short video. Hope this answered all your questions. Thanks. Goodbye.